Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you can be notified every time I upload a video. But anyways, today I'm going to be just demonstrating like a short video on how I got this eye look. It's not going to be based off of my foundation or anything else. I will list everything down in the description box below so that way you know what it is that I used on my face and stuff like that. But as far as the video goes, it's just going to be based on the eyes. So if you want to go ahead and see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to be starting out with this first shade, and I'm going to be using that in the transition, as my transition, I'm sorry. But I already have some placed on my eyelid just because I didn't realize that I wasn't recording when I had already started. But this is the first shade I'm going in with, and it's just a matte shade. The shades in this palette are very chalky or powdery, if that makes any sense. And then here I'm going in with this matte pink, and I'm going to be using that in the crease, and I'm just going to be at first I buff it in, but then I go in and I pack it on, because when you pack the color on and then blend it out, it just happens to show up a lot better. Okay, and then here I just went back in with that first shade, and I was just buffing around the edges just to make sure that I wasn't losing that transition shade. So here all I'm doing is going in with this purple, and I'm going to be taking this shade and dragging it across the pink that I already placed down. So I'm going to be dragging that, buffing it in back and forth, and then just dragging it down and just building up the intensity of the purple shade. And then here, as you can see, I went back in with the pink and just buffed around the edges of the purple just so I don't lose the pink while placing that purple. And then here, I didn't show you guys, but I went ahead and just went in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and that's what I'm using to cut the lid with. Now here I'm going in with this rose gold shade. I know that it looks kind of champagne on camera, but it's more of a rose gold color. And the shimmer shades in this palette, which there's only 2 shimmer shades, they're very buttery, like they are smooth. So anyways, I'm using that on the inner corner, and I'm just going over the concealer that I just placed on the lid. And then here I just went back in with the pink shade, and I went in with the Morphe M515 brush. It's a very tiny brush, and you can get your lines really precise. That's what I use to go around the edge of that champagne or rose gold shade that I placed on the lid. And then here I just went in with this maroon shade or reddish maroon shade in the palette, and I used that in the outer third of my eye just to deepen up the outer third and give it a little bit more depth. Okay, and then here I'm going in with this Beauty Creations Splash of Glitters 2 palette. Excuse the long face, I'm just not really feeling well. And then I'm going in with that lilac glitter shade, and I'm going to be taking that on the lid where the rose gold shade and the purple meet. Here I'm taking this pink shade and I'm going to be packing that on the inner third of the eye. So right in the beginning before that lilac shade. Okay, so here I'm going to be taking these lashes from Kiss and I will pop them off on off camera. And then here I'm going in with this other pink shade, but it's more like a baby pink and it's like iridescent, and I'm gonna pop that in the inner corner just to intensify the inner corner. Alright you guys, well thank you for tuning in to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below, let me know what you think about this makeup look. Everything in the description box down below so that way you know more or less what I used on my face. I will list down the palettes that I used as well, and just let me know what you think of this look. I will be doing a giveaway. I know I said that in one of my last videos, but I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon. It's gonna be probably when I hit 100 subscribers. So if you know anybody that's into makeup, then go ahead and send them over to my channel so that way they can subscribe, and the sooner I get to the 100 subscribers, the faster we can get this giveaway going. But again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video.